Would you rather have $1 million or a mystery prize? I'm definitely going with the mystery prize.
Please.
Oh, shoot, bro. I shouldn't have gone to the side.
Please save me. Put me out of my misery.
I guess I'll put you out of your misery.
Ah!
I'm so sorry, bro. All right. Ah! All right, bro. Just one more. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my gosh. I'm so glad that that's over, bro. I wonder what's inside of this chest. Wait. Wait, be a cat or be a creeper? I'm definitely gonna be a cat. Whoa, wait, I'm a cat, bro. This is so cool. Wait, spot the fish. Wait, 10 seconds to spot the fish? Where could it be? Comment below if you see the fish. Alright, just a few more seconds, come on. Wait, I think I found it. It's right there. Wait, oh my gosh, let's go. All right, bro, Minecraft versus Roblox. Obviously, I'm going with Minecraft. Wait, oh my gosh, let's do this parkour really quick and then boom, let's go. We're so good at this. Would you rather subscribe for cats or like for dogs? Which one would you choose?